When the people of paradise will enter paradise and the people of hell will go to hell, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will order those who have had faith equal to the weight of a grain of mustard seed to be taken out from the hell. So they will be taken out, but they will be blackened. Then they will be put in the river of Haya or Hayat, that means life, and they will revive like a grain that grows near the bank of a flood channel. Don't you see that it comes out yellow and twisted? Al Hadith Bukhari Sharif, book number 1, hadith number 21.